Good morning, student. Today in class 10th, we are going to study about the new chapter, that is constructions, and we have to solve the problem exercise number 11.1. Here question number 1 is given that draw a line segment of length 50 centimeter. That is, in book it is given 7.6 centimeter. So it is not possible to draw so small figure on the board. So I have taken 15 centimeter and divided it into the ratio of 5:8 and measure the two parts. So I have taken the length of the line segment equal to 15 centimeter, which is given in the book 7.6 centimeter. So on the basis of 15 centimeter, we are going to draw the line segment. Here I am taking 15 centimeter. As you can see, I have first drawn line segment. A line, first of all, I am drawing a line. Here A, and with the help of compass, we will take 15 centimeter. Here it is 15 centimeter. With the help of compass, I am taking, with the help of compass, centimeter. It is about this. So we have taken 15 centimeter. It is 15 centimeter. Now we have to divide into AB, the line segment AB, into 5:8 parts. So what we will do? We will draw a ray from A to C. We have taken a ray, another ray, that is C. Now we will divide it into that is 8 and 5, that is 5 and 8, it gives 13 equal parts. So I am taking an arc, and then we will divide it into 13 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. We will name it A1, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, 11, A12, A13. Now we will join A13 to B, that is, let it be C. So we will join A13 to B. Now 5:8, we have to draw 5:8. So we will take A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Here the another point we will take it. Now we will draw an arc at A13, cutting the BC at somewhere. Here I am taking arc. Similarly, we will take an arc here. Same arc. Now, with the help of compass, we will measure the angle. That is here to here. We will measure the angle. So we will cut the from here Now we will join A to this portion, A5 to this portion. So this is the point that we can say AB and let it D. So this is the line segment we have divided, that is 15 centimeter into 5:8 part. Now how we will take it, write about the constructions. Here how we constructed. So first of all, the step of constructions: draw a line segment AB of 15 centimeter. Draw a ray AC making an acute angle with the AB as shown in figure. On the ray AC, start from A, mark 13 equal part, that is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and so A13. Join A13 to B, and from A5 draw A5P, that is A13B meeting at point D. Thus D divide AB into 5:8 ratio. So we will measure the sides of the part AD and DB. Now how we have constructed? So justifications: here two triangles have formed, as you can see. Triangle, this point, that is A, B and 13, A13, that is you can say C, A13, and triangle A, D and A5, that is these two lines, that is A13B is parallel to A5D, as you can see, A5 parallel to A5 and D. So triangle AB A13 is similar to, that is triangle ADA5. So we can write, that is we can say, that is AD by DB equal to A5 to A13. So that is 5/8. So in this way we have divided the line segment, that is 15 centimeter length, which is based on the question number 1. So this is the justifications how we have solved the problem. So how we can construct. So here the angle, we have to measure the angle. So these two angles are equal as the two lines are parallel. So if corresponding angles, that is the equal, then lines are parallel. So AD, A5 and that is B, A13 are parallel to each other. So in this way we have constructed the divided the line segment into equal parts. Thank you. Today class is over.